In this video, I just want to quickly show you how you can sell your NOTCOIN into USDT. So I'm using OKX exchange for this example. So you want to make sure you are on the exchange. Okay. So the next thing is click on assets right here at the bottom right corner. The next thing is you click on transfer. So you click on it. Basically, your NOTCOIN will be in the funding account, and then you want to take it to trade it. So you just leave it as it is like this. Okay. So next thing is for you to look for the assets you want to trade. So which is NOTCOIN. So you click on it, then you click on NOTCOIN. Okay. So the next thing is to you put the amount you want to put the amount you want to sell. So in this case, I'll click on maximum, which I want to sell everything. So maximum right here. So next thing is to click on confirm here. So you go back to your page and then click on trade. You click on trade, and then this is where you look for NOTCOIN. So you bring this down, and at the top here you search for NOT, NOT. Of course it has not been listed, so you can't find it here. So but let's use let's use TON as example. TON, and so TON USDT. But so we assume this to be our NOTCOIN. Okay. So you want to change it to sell. This place, you change it to sell. So you click on it, and then also change this place to market order. Market order means you are selling instantly. Then you can either put the amount you want to sell, or if you want to sell everything, you put it at maximum, and then you simply click on sell. Let me take that again. So you can either put in the amount you want to sell manually, okay, or you click on this button right here. So you draw it from 0 to, maybe if you want to sell at 75% or 50%, or you want to sell everything 100%, then you click on sell. So once you click on sell, the trade will be executed instantly. So that's how it is. So that's it, guys. So remember to share this video to as many that may want to sell their notes, and to your friends and everyone else. Remember to also subscribe to the YouTube channel, and click and like this video, and click on the notification button as well. So you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is in the description, as well as the Telegram link below. Other videos are also in the channel. So see you, and stay blessed.